Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope that this video finds you well and that you are doing okay. So I have a small haul for you from Globleland, and I will go ahead and leave you the links to everything that I'll be showing you today in this haul video. I'll be leaving those links in the description area underneath this video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so this time around, I went ahead and I asked Globleland. They came to me and they asked me if I could make a video for them and show them some of the crafty stuff that they have, right? And I said, sure, absolutely. But this time I would like to share some jewelry making supplies. And I don't know if y'all have noticed, lately I've been into a lot of beads and beading and like making beaded pens and wristlet keychains and so forth. And so lo and behold, Globleland does carry the supplies that you need in order to elevate your crafting. So the first thing that I want to share with you are these beautiful, I just love these. And I'm sorry for the sounds that I'm making over here. Oh, okay. I believe these are called arch beads or rainbow beads. I forget, but it's one or the other. So anywho, we have these really cute, oops, there's more, package of rainbow beads. And you know what? I just love creating with silicone beads because I find them to be very easy to work with, and they are so here's my showpiece over here to make sure that it fits, and they fit so extremely well, especially when you're making beaded pens, or if you're just wanting to do wristlets or let's see, here's a sample of a wristlet that I made the other day. And so excuse me, and so yeah, you get different pastel colors. They have them in all sorts of different colors. So this is really cute. I haven't seen this one before. This one is white with speckles, like dark gray speckles. It resembles, to me, it resembles like marble. And so, yeah, oh, I love this blue and that soft pink. So we have that. And another thing that I asked for, but I don't know if this is going to fit the pens, what, in other words, the projects that I have in mind. These are, it says it's real gold plated, and these are the whatchamacallit, the rhinestone spacers that we like to use when we're making beaded pens and so forth. So let's see, let me go ahead and get this. I like the way it's packaged. And so here's the package if y'all need that whatchamacallit, that code. And so yeah, it comes in this cute little container, which helps a lot. And this is what they look like. They are really tiny. And in comparison to, let me see, in comparison to what? In comparison to one of these, see how tiny they are? And the hole is pretty large, I believe, but I don't know. Let me see, I'm curious. No, it's not going to fit the beaded pens, but it'll certainly go when you're doing something else like a wristlet. Okay, moving on to these over here. And these are some more silicone beads that I wanted to play with. And I like how everything comes in a container because that helps so much. And so it's packaged all really nice so that it doesn't get ruined. And over here we have, ooh, these are marbleized, just like these over here. Look, that is so cute. Oh, and I love this color of pastel, that shade of pink pastel, and we have some white ones. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pink pastels. Now this is a size that I don't have, and it'll be fun playing with sizes like this. And you know me, I always have to try and see if it's gonna go, yep, in the projects that I want to make. So that is really, really cute. Now, last but not least, I went ahead and asked for some beadable pens, and yes, they do. Ooh, they have a kit. They have, ooh, you get so much in there. Ooh. Okay, let me set these to the side a little bit, and let's take a look at the kit. Alrighty, so in this kit, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get, of course, the pens, and oh my gosh, so much. Okay, you're gonna get a set of 10, I believe. Let me see, 3, 2, 5, 6. Actually, 6, 3, 3. A set of 12 pens, actually. So that's a good number. And over here, we have some wooden beads. And let me just take a couple out. And these are, the sizing is like from large to medium size. Really cute. Oh my gosh, check out the spacers. I've never seen the black spacers anywhere else before. Okay, these are wooden spacers. We have them like so. This one is acrylic, actually. Isn't that cute? And this one is wood. And check this out. This one, I believe, is acrylic. Can't see very well, but look at it. Oh, so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. Some blingy spacers. And look at this. I love this. You get the tassel. If you want to add a tassel on the side of your beadable, beaded pens. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh. It's so tiny. I love it. I love it. I love it. See, here's my small scissor. And look how tiny they are. They're so cute. Oh, I love this. And let's take a look at the charms that we can add to this, these beaded pens. Oh, cowsies. How adorable. How adorable. Look at that. Oh, I love these. And last but not least, and you know what? I haven't seen this done in other kits. I could be wrong, but they go ahead and they add the whatchamacallit thingamajiggy that goes on the pen for you to dangle the little charm to. Isn't that something? Or you could use this in a completely separate project, like a wristlet, Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So anyways, this is my haul for Globleland. Make sure that you check out all of the links. And there is also going to be a discount code, I believe. It is going to be in my description down below for 10% off your complete purchase. And I will see you once again real soon. Make sure that you leave me a nice comment. You subscribe to my channel. You click on that bell notification so that in the next video I can show you how we can put, different ideas on how to put together your beadable pens and or wristlets. I'll see you once again real soon. Bye.